Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to create a personal tax account with Government Gateway. So let's begin. Using Google, we will search for a personal tax account. The first link, as you can see, will take you to signing in or registering for a personal tax account. We scroll down here and we go over to Start Now. Now we scroll down to select an option here. If we don't want sign in with Government Gateway or any of these are for people who already have an account. And that is not why we're here. We will move over down to create an account, and then we'll click Continue. There are two ways to prove your identity when creating an account. Today we will be selecting Government Gateway Account. It takes, like it says here, about 10 minutes, and you need your national insurance number, a payslip, a P60, or a valid UK passport. Scroll down and click Continue to your account. Here we see sign in using Government Gateway, but because we don't have a Government Gateway user ID or a password yet, we scroll down to create sign-in details. Here HMRC asks for an email address. Make sure this is an email address that you can log into easily. Once you're done, click Continue. HMRC will send a code to this email address. You should be able to find it in your inbox if you check your email. Copy the code into the box indicated and then click Continue. Very simple now, just enter your full name and then click Continue. Now, you'll be asked to create a password, so go ahead and do that. Then click Continue again. To recover password, pick a memorable word, put it in. In case you forget your password, you can use this word to get it back. You now have a Government Gateway user ID, and that is a unique number that has been generated just for you. It's also been sent to the email address you've provided, so save that email somewhere safe so you can get it back later if you need it. Now we click Continue. Now HMRC wants to know what kind of account you're setting up. Just go ahead and select the top option and then press Continue. HMRC will send you an access code every time you sign into this account. I prefer to get my access codes by text. It's usually easier. If you do select this option, you will need to give them a UK mobile phone number. Make sure it is one you again have access to. Enter your phone number and click Send Code. Now HMRC will send a text message or an SMS to your phone containing the access code. It might take a few moments, but usually happens almost instantly. Once you've got it, of course, enter it in and then click Continue. The security is now set up, and now further confirmation of ID is required. Now you will be asked to enter in your first name, your last name, your national insurance number, and your date of birth. Put your information in here, and we hit Continue. This is the last bit of ID confirmation that they will require at this stage. You can see that they want either a payslip or some credit card information or your passport or a P60. We will go with UK passport. Please note that you will need a UK passport, one that is not expired for this method. If you do not hold one, please use the credit card method of ID verification. Here you will be asked for your passport number, your surname, which is your family name, your given name, which is your first name, and the expiry date of your passport. If you have trouble finding this, here's a sample. And on the top right-hand corner, you see highlighted your passport number. On the bottom, that date is your expiry date. Enter that info in, and once you're done, hit Continue. All right, hopefully now you're verified, and you're looking at the same screen that is showing right here, which means that you have completed ID verification. This next bit is your choice. Pick one, press Continue. If you are looking at your own non-blurred version of this screen, it means you have successfully set up a personal tax account. Please make sure that your Government Gateway ID, your password, your memorable word for password recovery are all stored somewhere safe. You may also want to check the information that HMRC holds for you and make sure it's right in case HMRC need contact you at any time. This brings us to the end of the instructional video on how to sign up for a Government Gateway ID. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Take care, and we'll see you in next video.